Icelandic authorities are building protective walls around a geothermal power plant in the country's southwest to protect it from potential lava flows amidst concerns about an imminent volcanic eruption.
아이슬란드 화산 폭발이 임박했다는 우려 속에 당국은 용암이 흘러내릴 경우를 대비해 남서부 지역에 있는 지열발전소 주변에 제방을 세우고 있는 것으로 알려졌습니다. Let's have a look at the story before we get into the main expressions.
Well, they definitely want to protect this geothermal power plant from potential lava flow. So nearly 800 earthquakes have been recorded on this peninsula. It's called the Reykjanes Peninsula. That's near the capital of Reykjavik. And increased seismic activity has really obviously raised alarms around there in that area because they feel it's a precursor to an eruption. Right. On Saturday, 3,000 residents were evacuated from a nearby fishing town. So they really do feel that it is just a matter of time before this volcano erupts.
It's just a matter of time. 시간이 얼마 남지 않았다 내지는 곧 무언가가 닥칠 것이다. 이런 의미로 it's just a matter of time이라고 합니다. 확실하지는 않지만 이런 일이 곧 나타날 것 같아, 일어날 것 같아 이런 느낌으로 쓰는 표현이에요. 역시 뭔가 임박했다라는 의미가 되겠죠. Yeah, so, I mean, they're doing everything they can, as you said, and the thing they're trying to protect is our first expression, the geothermal power plant.
So this is when electricity is generated by using geothermal energy, which is the Earth's internal heat or geothermal energy. So they do this by getting hot water or steam. They extract it from the Earth through a series of wells, and that feeds into the power plant.
Yeah, anything with the prefix geo, geo is to do with the Earth, right? We have geography, geology. What else is there? Geographic.
Lots of things, yeah.
그러니까 geo라는 prefix가 앞에 붙으면은요. 그러면 이제 지구와 관련된 것인데 여기서 말하는 geothermal은 지열이 되겠습니다. 자, 그래서 geothermal power plant. thermal이라고 하면 열이거든요. 그래서 그런 이제 땅에서 나오는 열, geothermal이 되겠고 power plant는 발전소입니다. 자, 지열발전소라는 표현에 이어서 다음으로는 imminent입니다.
Imminent means something is just a matter of time. So it's very, very likely to happen. Basically, it's going to happen for sure. It's inevitable. We just don't know exactly when, but everyone expects it to happen very soon.
Yes. Something is imminent. It's going to happen soon. 임박했다. 금방이라도 닥칠 것 같다. 이런 뜻이 되겠습니다. Well, here's the headline one more time. Icelandic authorities are building protective walls around a geothermal power plant in the country's southwest to protect it from potential lava flows amidst concerns about an imminent volcanic eruption. 잠시 쉬었다 갈까요?